Hello, my name is Edward Jones. I'm about to show you the #1 best, real, legitimate, work from home based business in the world, the Aspire Network. I'm going to show you a demonstration that's going to absolutely blow you away. Let's get started. They help to neutralize odor. That's right. The negative ions help to neutralize odor. And that's one of the reasons some women will wear those heavy perfumes and body lotions and body sprays during that time of the month, is to mask any possibility of having any type of menstrual odor. And it's completely understandable, okay? But this helps to neutralize any bacterial growth that's going to cause any kind of smell. And also, like I said, I'm just reporting the testimonials that I've been getting. I also have been hearing that for women who have cramps, they've been saying their cramps are reduced or go completely away because of the negative ions. Because negative ions, and like I said, do your own research, Google negative ions, see what you come up with. They help to relax the uterus, to relax the muscles. That way you don't have those strong muscle contractions that are causing cramps, okay? And also negative ions help to, let me think now, well, something else that they did as well. Helps to balance the pH. So I want to make sure I tell you everything, okay? They help to balance the body's pH. And I spoke earlier on one of my earlier lives about water. You can go back and see that one about water and hydration and how your body has to be at a certain pH level to be healthy. This helps to balance your body's pH. So it makes you feel better. So women are reporting that because of the balancing of their pH level, they don't have that feeling, that uneasy feeling that they used to have sometimes when they're on their cycle. All right. Now I'm going to the next part. What I'm going to show you now is the absorbency system. All right, the absorbency system. Let me get it out here. Show you two parts here. Like I said, I'm taking this thing completely apart for you. This right here is air-laid paper. Okay, just air-laid paper. What air-laid paper helps to do, it stops reverse percolation. Once it goes through that first layer that's made out of cotton and the moisture touches this negative ion strip and the negative ions start to do their job, then the moisture goes down to this air-laid paper, and this air-laid paper has micro perforations in it as well for breathability. The fluid goes through and it stops reverse percolation. What that means is, that's why I was able to put that paper towel on there and mash it down and beat on it, and it was completely dry, because once the fluid goes through this, it stops reverse percolation. It's not coming back out, okay? It's not coming back out. And look at it, 100% breathable, okay? The next thing I want to show you is the actual absorbency system. This is a food grade polymer, okay? And I'll make sure I don't drop it. This is a food grade polymer. Can you see that? This is the same thing found in baby diapers. The FDA regulates what you put in a baby's diaper, but they don't regulate what women have to wear in their sanitary napkins. That's why the manufacturers can get away with the trash, literally get away with the trash that women are having to wear and suffering for it. So this is a food grade polymer. You see that? That's just a wrapper with helps to reverse percolation. Food grade polymer. And to be fair, I'm going to roll this up as well and place this in the cup that had the most amount of water in it. That was this one here. I put it in the cup that has the most amount of water in it. Let me get it all. I want to be fair.